The alarm's going on my digital watch. Just switch it off. That's telling me that it's 5 to 5. Not that it's Friday or that it's crackerjack, but that tea will be ready in 5 minutes. Because like many of you, I suspect, we have our tea at 5 o'clock. So I must now go down to the kitchen, wash my hands before assisting my wife Mary in the final stages of tea preparation. And that could involve anything from laying the table to stirring the gravy. Hang on, I'm in the kitchen, and Mary's not here, and there's no sign of cooking activity. There's a frozen shepherd's pie on the worktop, but this is very unusual. It's like the Mary Celeste.
We present the Shuttleworths in Coffin the Loft.
Ah, mystery solved. Here comes Mary, with a big bin liner, and I trust an explanation.
I beg your pardon.
Well, you know.
I've been very busy, John.
Have you?
Having a clear out.
Oh.
And all these things can go up in the loft now.
Right.
Please.
What, before tea?
Yeah, before tea.
Right. Well, I'll do that then.
Good.
I'll do it gladly.
Go on then.
It'll be a bit of an adventure. I've not been up in the loft for quite a while.
Go on then.
I will.
Yeah.
See you shortly then.
Thank you.
Right, I'm on the landing now. And being here always reminds me of a childhood incident. I was only 3 or 4, possibly 5, certainly no more. We were paying Grandpa a call and I'd gone on to the landing, while the grown-ups talked downstairs and I played on the banisters. There suddenly came into my ears a sound I found astounding. Yeah, and I'm going to tell you about it right now. It was a cough in the loft, muffled and soft. How a void could produce that noise was beyond my understanding. That's right, because as far as I knew, it was just an empty roof space. Too loud for a mouse or rat, and no cat could cough like that. Could it have been a vampire bat? My little heart was pounding. And then I saw the wooden steps. With mounting terror up I crept. Bear in mind with my little legs the climb was very demanding. It was, hellishly so, but I made it. And when I reached the loft, I solved the mystery of the cough. Under a light, smoking his pipe, my grandfather was standing. Yeah, he had a little room up there, and I didn't know, because he didn't like visitors, so he'd gone for a bit of peace and quiet, which is fair enough. It's lovely up here. I'm crouched on my haunches, because my loft doesn't have the headroom that my granddad's had, but it is a nice place to contemplate. What the hell's that? I recognise that tone. That's my old digital watch. Not the one on my wrist. That's got a different tone. It's my old one, that Mary never liked. Now I know what happened to it. But where is it? It's not in the bag she's just given me. It's coming from over there. It's a victim of a previous clear-out. And there's been a lot of those, I can tell you. Of course, the alarm is sounding to tell me it's time for tea, as it must have been doing every day for the last couple of years. And can I just stress, it's not running slow, it's just that we used to have tea a little bit later, at 5:15. But as you get older, you tend to have tea earlier, don't you? Where is it?
John, tea's ready.
Yeah, all right, love.
Come on.
Late for tea now. Wouldn't have been in the old days, of course. Hang on, it stopped. Oh, which bag is it in? I'll take a chance on this one. But it wasn't in that one. Nor was it in the other 3 bags that I brought down that evening. Mary wasn't pleased.
Oh, I don't believe you, John.
Look, Mary...
You know, we're trying to get rid of rubbish, not accumulate more.
I realise
Now,
that.
take it all back up to the loft.
No,
Go on.
not immediately, Mary. No, because I must ascertain the whereabouts of my watch.
No, stupid.
And I must say my hope is fading.
Good.
Having said that, I found some fantastic things.
What things?
Here we got a full set of coasters, which I last saw
Flipping heck.
about 12 years ago. And each coaster has a picture of a different Scottish mountain.
Really?
Though, ironically, they all look the same. You know, so it looks like you've got a matching set. I mean, the cork on the reverse is badly perished.
Yeah.
But
Chuck them away. They shouldn't even be in the loft.
no, Mary, you know. We need to find a home for them.
We need to find a home for you, with high walls.
Very funny. By 11 p.m, I decided to abandon the search, because my fingers were sore, caused perhaps by the drawstrings on the bin liners. You know, it's a very fine twine that cuts into the palm. However, the following afternoon, I prepared with great excitement for a further visit to the loft to find my old digital watch, because of course I knew when the alarm would go off at 5:10 p.m. precisely. Hello, you joined me in the loft. The alarm hasn't gone off yet. Don't worry, you've not missed anything. It will do in about 2 minutes' time. Do I not run the risk of being late for my tea and upsetting Mary? Well, no, because with her full consent, I've got some sandwiches. Yeah, little packed tea, which I'm going to eat now, if I may, because I'm obviously a bit peckish, because it's my tea time. Cheese and piccalilli, and a little bit of lettuce. Obviously, as soon as I hear that alarm, I'll put down my sandwiches and concentrate on locating my watch. Blimey, it's early. Hang on, that's not my old watch. And it's coming from the bag I brought up yesterday. Oh, the drawstring. It's chafing my hands again. Here it is. Oh, this is Karen's Tamagotchi. Mary must have put it in by accident. I think it needs feeding, because there's a little icon showing an open mouth. Now what do? I think you have to press this button repeatedly. Oh, not that one. That's called battle. Yeah, sure enough, he's adopted an aggressive pose. It's this one. Yep. Oh, hurry, John. Oh, I've done it. Yep, because it's showing now a smiley face, and he's patting his tummy to show that he's had sufficient. Hey, I've saved the life of a Tamagotchi. But of course, in doing so, I've missed hearing the alarm on my old watch. Oh. Right, better get this Tamagotchi back to Karen. She'll be missing it. Don't worry, watch. I'll be back same time tomorrow. You hang on in there. Don't be mean to your machine, encourage it to flourish. Keep it clean, give it a sheen with a non-abrasive polish. And when it's tired and won't perform, don't consider it garbage. Oil its parts, massage its heart, give it a bowl of emotional porridge. Not real porridge, obviously, because you're going to damage it further. Don't be mean to your machine, encourage it to flourish. Keep it clean, give it a sheen with a non-abrasive polish. And if it really isn't well, and the man in the shop says chuck it, give it a decent burial in its original box if you've still got it. You know, some people throw the original box away, which is crazy. Don't be mean to your machine, encourage it to flourish. Keep it clean, give it a sheen with a non-abrasive polish. What the hell do you think you're doing?
Pardon?
My next-door neighbour and sole agent, Ken Worthington, has just thrown a computer into a miniskip.
Yes.
Complete disregard for the machine.
It's broken, John.
It doesn't matter, Ken. It could be repaired and given to a hostel or a drop-in centre to create a database of local contacts.
Oh. Well, you're welcome to take it.
I might just do that. Can I have this apple?
Pardon?
Ken's chucking away a perfectly good apple.
What?
It's not an apple.
No, it's not an apple.
What is it?
It's an egg timer, John.
So it is. It works, Ken.
Yes, I think it does.
You're crazy.
Well, you could have that as well.
I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Oh, got to go for my tea, Ken. And to look for an old digital watch that's in need of some TLC.
Oh,
See you later.
yeah, bye.
Oh. However, my search for the watch was all but forgotten in the excitement generated by discovering the egg timer, which was not fully operational, I have to say. Ken had duped me. And when I took it apart to clean it, the spring snapped. So it's now in our fruit bowl as a piece of fake fruit. The following day was spent trying unsuccessfully to find a home for the broken computer. And the day after was spent cleaning it, just in case anybody changed their mind. So it was several days before I was able to resume my 5 o'clock vigil up in the loft. Hello. Here we are once again in the loft. It's nearly 5:10, but I'm not late for my tea, because Mary and I have decided that 5 o'clock was just too early for a busy family to have the tea. We're now going to have a tea at the old time, 5:15. What does that indicate? Maybe we're still young at heart. I hope so. Right, now it's nearly 5:10, so let's have complete hush, please, as we listen out for my old digital watch, which will go off at exactly 5:10. And hopefully this time I'll find it and take it down to tea to show the family. It would be a wonderful fairy tale ending to what's become an unpleasant saga. Oh, stand by. 5, 4, 3, 2, shh. Yes! Oh, no! Sorry, it's the alarm on the watch on my wrist. Because, of course, I reset it to go off at 5:10, because we have our tea at 5:15 now. Oh, never mind. Right, let's listen out for the other one. Perhaps atmospherics have slowed it down. Oh, I can hear a leaf dancing across the slates. But I can't hear my old watch. Perhaps the battery's gone. That's it. It got fed up waiting for me. I've killed my watch. Oh, hang on, I thought I heard it. No, it's just my mind playing tricks on me. I still hear the alarm of my digital watch, though it's not on my arm. Could it be this? It's flown to the wrist of my grandfather up in heaven. Well, a nice thought, but I'm not counting on it.
The Shuttleworths was written and performed by Graham Fellows. The producer was Dawn Ellis.